And welcome to a brand new content creator 101, and today I got a special video for you. That's right, today we're going to be learning about video games. Ow, I just hit my wall. Whoops. But anyways, yes, video games. Wow, what a shocker. And with that, it's pretty much of just learning you, pretty much. The tips and tricks, no matter what game you are playing, which is Call of Duty, VRChat, Halo, no matter what, pretty much it's up to you. You are the personality, you are what brings the charm. No matter what, from right here, only the game itself can carry you so much. It's really up to you, the content creator. Because as you can see, only a certain percentage can take you so far for a video game. It can give you the hype, it can give you the views on everything, but that rest of the percentage that you can see right here, it's really up to you. A game can take you so much. A post on Twitter can take you so much. Announcement on YouTube can take you so much. It's really up to you, yourself, as the content creator. Or, person-wise, entertainer, voice actor, anything and everything, it's up to you. You are the one that brings the audience to you. You are the one that pretty much brings it out to enjoy and have a great time. So I just want to advocate to that, to you, to the audience, and also I just want to try something different. I want to kind of break out the norm of just doing the typical content creation, just myself on the chair and chit-chatting and stuff. No. I want to do something different. A little bit outside the box. Just divert it out somewhere. This model that I'm using, it's called a Recore. It's a species. I actually never heard of it before, but it's hella adorable and I love it. So, this is a little sidetrack. But anyways, yeah, just noticing that if you are becoming a video game content creator, channel, shorts, TikTok, anything and everything, you yourself is what makes the content great. Not the game itself. You, as the content creator, you are the one that brings the content. You're the one that makes it awesome. And well, that's it. I hope you like that tip. And I hope you continue on growing. I'm growing. You're growing. Everyone's growing. And we become the best content creators in the world. Earth, galaxy, something, I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this, and please hit the like button with the subscribe button with the bell notification. Do it right now, do it, go ahead, it's free, 100%. Do that, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.